Dr. Saurabh. Welcome to Ongrid.Design Studio. This is your first architectural design scheme presentation, where based on the design brief received, our designers have prepared two options of architectural setup that can house your needs. I'll be walking you through the option 1, and as you can see, this is a layout presented in front of you. Starting with the ground floor, on the left is the dedicated road that is as per the site, and adjacent to it is your plot. The plot is to the dimensions provided, and the building setup is as per the development control rules. Let's begin. On the left side, you can see the designers have spaced ample of area for parking, four-wheelers and two-wheelers. Following along, you are met with a dedicated staircase that can house your upper floors, and also a private entry to a 1 BHK setup. The 1 BHK setup comes with a dedicated kitchen and toilet, living and dining, and your bedroom spacing. The toilet has all three essential fixtures. The bedroom comes equipped with the wardrobe spacing and side table spacing, and considerate of a king-size bed. The living and the dining is for 4 to 4 people, and this is compact and designed with maintaining natural ventilation and circulation. As you come to the bottom, you can see the caretaker's room. The caretaker's room has a separate entry, also facilitating a small pantry refrigeration unit and his outdoor accessible toilet. This ensures that the caretaker does not need to interact with the internal spaces of the house and can independently access the site. Moving along, using the central staircase, let us move to the first floor. The first floor welcomes you into a private entrance lobby and bifurcates into 2 units of 1 BHK. As you can see, the 1 BHKs are oriented to maximize the site orientation as well as create own private seatings and private components that can act independently of each other. Walking you to the left unit of the 1 BHK, it has a bedroom, a king size setup with a dedicated wardrobe and a private terrace that you can equip with a small seating unit. The toilet is equipped with 3 essential components, with considering your wash basin with a vanity spacing. The toilet can be accessed privately from the bedroom as well as publicly from the living and dining. The living and dining also comes with a terrace, and is adjacent to it is your kitchen. The kitchen is triangulated as per the best anthropometric calculations to facilitate ease of movement between refrigeration, cooking and washing. It also has its own windows for cleaner circulation with adjacent terrace and a living configuration of 4 to 4 units. Moving to the right side, you can see the similar configuration, but the arrangement has been as per the site allowing it. The bedroom has its own terrace, the kitchen is dedicated, the living and dining are bilinear, the toilet has 3 essential components, and also the living has a private terrace. The beauty of this arrangement is, as while maintaining 2 private entities, we have managed to carve out essential breathable spaces like terrace and large bedroom sizes. Let us move to the second floor. The second floor is a replication of the first floor. The reason behind and the logic behind are as follows. It allows for a seamless integration for your structural components, as later when you are constructing it, it is essential that the walls overlap each other. Also, the similarity allows you to create individual components that can be used for rent or private housing. This is, as discussed, the option 1. Now I'll be presenting you with option 2. Option 2 of the architectural scheme for your house. On the left, you can see the road, adjacent to it being the similar arrangement of your 4-wheeler and your 2-wheelers, and to the right of it is where the building pad exists. The building pad is catering to your need of private access to the renter's floor and your own housing, as well as a disjoint 1 BHK unit and a caretaker's home. There is a lot of similarity between option 1 and option 2 on the ground floor, but we shall discuss the changes as we progress to the first floor. As you see, the first floor has a different shaped lobby. The reason is to give you much more accessible area of common space. This also allows a grand entry to both the units of your private houses. The left is the 1 BHK unit, along the right is a 1 BHK unit. Each 1 BHK comes with equipped essential toilet components, king size bed with side table and wardrobe spacing, as well as ancillary spaces for other decorative elements like cabinets, interesting library units or vanity counters. In this arrangement, you can see the terraces have been pushed out of the sideline to create a cantilever unit. Such development, as per authorities' discretion, can be considered. This creates an independent and much more flushed access to your house. The living and dining comes on a similar arrangement with much more compact seating for cozier feeling. You can see the kitchen is slightly more elongated for the longer platform unit to work with a washing area and a dedicated refrigerator. Similarly, it has a public terrace that is accessible by the guest as well as you. The same rule applies to the right side unit. You can see the terrace of the bedroom is pushed out and the terrace of the living and dining is considered within the building line. The platform of the kitchen is slightly bigger. The arrangement of the living and dining gives a much more cozy and compact feel. Moving to the second floor, it follows the similar arrangement of the first floor. The reason is to support an ease building construction unit, as the walls need to overlap each other, as well as maintaining symmetry in your column and beams. Thank you. The next step would be for you to discuss these plans and layouts thoroughly with your family and understand the point of views. The two options are provided to allow you to see the merits of both the options. Then choose the one that completely personalizes and meets your needs. Along with it, you can suggest if you need some additional changes, but the additional changes must be restricted to the scope of the design that is discussed in the brief earlier. You can have this video, replay it, and again reach out to us with any questions. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know how you would like to develop further.